In this video, we'll perform daily maintenance.
The daily maintenance method ensures that waste is emptied and the pipette heads are holding pressure and pipetting the correct volumes. On the ICS main menu, select Maintenance and then select Daily Maintenance. At the MPE waste check stage, inspect the MPE waste container. Failure to empty the MPE waste container can damage the MPE module.
Now we'll empty the MPE waste container.
If the liquid level meets or exceeds the indicator line, empty the container. Press the metal prongs to disconnect the two tubes from the cap. Unscrew the cap from the container. Disconnect the sensor. Dispose of the contents per laboratory policy. Reconnect the sensor. Screw the cap onto the container and reconnect the tubes. Select the completed MPE waste check checkbox and select Continue.
Now we'll clean the deck and tip waste.
At the deck and tip waste stage, select Yes to execute. At the deck stage, open the front protective cover and check if the deck is clean. If the deck is clean, select OK to proceed with daily maintenance. If the deck is not clean, select Cancel and perform weekly maintenance instead of daily maintenance. Refer to the weekly maintenance video for details. At the tip waste stage, empty the tip waste container and select OK to continue.
Next, we'll check the teaching needles.
At the tightness check 1000 microliter channel stage, confirm that the teaching needles are on the work deck. If they're not, load them on the work deck and then select Yes to execute the check. At the CLLD check 1000 microliter channel stage, confirm that the teaching needles are on the work deck. Select Yes to execute the check. When the method is complete, select OK.
We completed the daily maintenance. Next, we'll perform the MPE flush.